gotta change my water filter. It's dirty. Water pressure's low. Turn off the water. Both sides. Let it squirt out to relieve the pressure. I just take this off. I can't get it off. I'm gonna have to buy one of those filter wrenches. That ought to do it. It's too big. That worked. That's better. That's better. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. 1, 2, 3. That's all there is to it.